Hello, everyone. In this video, we will show you how to download and install NetBeans 16 and create a project and class, compile and run the class. To download the NetBeans 16, just Google NetBeans 16, you'll get to this Apache NetBeans 16. This is the most recent version of NetBeans, which was released in November 2022. So I'm going to click download, and now you can download for Windows, for Mac, and for other platforms. So I'm going to download for Windows. I already pre-downloaded, so I'm just going to go to this file here. This is the file. I'm going to click on this executable file and choose yes. And now, all right, so here we have this is installer, and click on next. Accept the license, next. So I'm going to put this in the default location. Now, you notice that for the NetBeans 16, we need at least JDK 11. So I have 14, so this is okay. You need to have JDK 11 or higher pre-installed in your system before you can install NetBeans 16. So I'm going to click next, install. All right, so finished. I'm going to finish this. All right, so now I'm going to use NetBeans 16. And from here, search. I'm going to search NetBeans 16. So this is the NetBeans 16 right here. I'm going to open it. All right, so this is NetBeans ID 16. When you use NetBeans, you have to first create a new project, and then you can create classes under the project. So I'm going to create a new project. So this project, we're going to use this Java with Maven, Java application. So this is new project, categories is Java with Maven, and project is Java application. And so the project name, so you can say this is going to be my demo. I'm going to put it on the temp. So we're going to not use any package. All right, so I'm going to click finish to create this project. All right, so this is the project is created. So I'm gonna remove this, all of this comments. So you may get something like with this, if you go to view, this is a menu view. If you have this is show inline hints, so you're gonna have this as a hint is, and here's the X is parameter name for this print line. And this is the string here is the actual string right here. Now you can hide this hints from this view and unclick this and check this show inline hints. So this is gone. So now I'm going to right click demo.java and choose run file. And so this will compile and run this code. So here is hello world. All right, let's create another program. So here, under this source package, I'm going to create a new, choose new, create, this is Java class, choose Java class. Let's call this Java class is welcome. So package is empty now. I don't use package in my book for simplicity. So let's choose finish. All right, so I have this. Now I'm going to write the main method is public static void main string brackets args and with this and this let's write this system dot out dot println welcome to Java. And let's have another one here is system dot out dot println welcome to computer science. All right, so now I have this program created. So if you have a syntax error, for example, you forget this semicolon now, you see here, and you get this error message that says, hey, semicolon expected. So if you misspell this S to lowercase s, now you see this message here is this cannot find symbol, this class string. So here is something wrong with string. So what you need to do is to compare your code, and with the example in the book, character by character, you're going to see, oh, this is incorrect. So you know this, it points to this right here. So this is not correct. It's case sensitive. So I'm going to run this. Right click on this welcome.java and now choose run file. But the run file is not dimmed. I cannot run this. So, all right, don't worry. Just go back to this demo right here. Right click on this demo and choose build or clean and build. So now, and rebuild the project. And now right click at this welcome.java and run file is now active. So you can run file. So you're going to see this welcome to Java, welcome to computer science displayed. All right, that's all for this video. Downloading and installing NetBeans 16. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.